Now time for Call for Action. A heads up on how your credit score can affect the price you pay for something as simple as a cell phone, insurance, or a loan.
If your credit score is low, you could be paying more and not even know it. Karen Stiles of our Call for Action office joins us in the newsroom with more information.
So how is this happening, and how would you know if your credit score was impacting your cell phone bill?
Well, it's called risk-based pricing. It refers to added costs and less favorable terms that some companies impose on consumers with low credit scores. Now, companies are allowed to do this, but under the risk-based pricing rules, if they are going to use this pricing, they must provide a risk-based pricing notice within a timely manner and let people know about these fees and costs up front. This rule was put into place a few years ago because there were some concerns that consumers were not being properly notified about how their credit score or information could adversely affect their ability to get credit, as well as being charged more fees and receiving less favorable terms. The notice needs to explain how the credit or pricing decision was made, how they obtained this report, as well as information about how a consumer can get a copy of the report and dispute any errors.
So Karen, what happens if a company is not following the rules? What can be done?
The company can be fined with a huge penalty. Just recently, Sprint was fined with $2.95 million for failing to properly adhere to this rule and charging people a whopping $7.99 fee per month for an account spending limit program that some consumers apparently were not made aware of.
Okay, let's say you're not aware of this and you catch a company in the act. Can you ask for a refund?
Consumers may be able to work this out with this business, especially if they are willing to have payments debited directly from their bank accounts. But as is the case with Sprint, that situation, the funds collected from a penalty will go directly to the U.S. Treasury, not consumers. Your best bet is to ask questions, ask for a written notice, and know what you are getting into before you decide to sign up for a long-term contract. Steve and Katie?
Karen, thanks. Have a consumer problem, need some help? The Call for Action team is there for you. The number 414-967-5495. You can also get help through the homepage at TMJ4.com.